a dark and stormy night, and Absoluta was on its way to work. Suddenly, it was struck by powerful lightning. When Absoluta woke up, it sensed a strange feeling of unlimited power and discovered it now had the might and fortitude of Power G. Discover Absoluta Plus with Power G technology. Hybrid or wire-free. Enables flexible installation. Provides a higher level of security. And has lower maintenance costs. And that's not all. It also supports many peripheral devices, even from a distance. It has powerful programming software, allows voice communication, and enables full remote control with an advanced app. Give your residential and commercial customers much more with the new power of Absoluta Plus.